I did the dumbest thing to get to $80,000 a month in revenue in DTF. And if I was to start over, this is the first thing that I would change. See, we started this business in 2021 and it took us 4 years to get to this revenue level, but could have gotten there faster with the right North Star. Throughout our journey, we went through a lot of trial and error and we made very expensive mistakes. And I actually almost gave up a couple of times, like seriously. But they say hindsight is 20/20, right? And you don't realize these things until you've gone through them. And to be fully transparent with you, it's a little bit of an ego thing too, because I wanted to build this on my own and just be able to say, I built this from zero, from scratch, with nobody's help. And I told you I did it the dumb way, because despite all of the private jets and Ferraris and APs that you see on IG, in reality, it's super difficult to build your business on your own. Like ego and trying to prove something to yourself and to other people, there's no place for that here. And they say it takes a village to raise a child, and it's true with business too. Because like for example, in DTF, you can't be the technical guy and the printing guy and be the marketing guy and be the money guy and be the everything guy. I mean, you can, but you can't be 100% for all of those things. And if you're starting out with zero experience, you can't be trying to figure all of these things out, because trial and error is very expensive. And if I have to do trial and error to figure out my marketing strategy, that's gonna cost me. If I have to do trial and error to figure out the printing, it's gonna cost me too. So the better way to do that is to find people that already know what they're doing. They already have the experience for it, and they can bring in solutions to problems that they've already solved. And these could be people that you employ, this could be part of your team, or this could be part of your network, right? Like Chris is part of my network, which is why we're here at the Printing United Expo in Orlando, Florida in 2025. It is 9 in the morning and there are already so many people in here. It's like a big, giant party. We're here in Florida in Printing United. I'm pretty excited because we're going to meet a lot of people. And that's why we're doing the video today. Because, Chris, quick question for you. Tell them how we met.
YouTube.
So what
TikTok,
happened?
yeah.
What happened?
We connected.
So 3 years ago, he reached out to me, and we've been really good friends since then. And you know, this thing that we're doing, this is lonely stuff, right? You know, you're always a lone wolf. You're doing things by yourself. You're strategizing by yourself, and you know, you have those frustrations that sometimes you can talk to your team about it. You know, we were kind of each other's sounding boards. It's nice to have somebody that you can talk to about business that can understand the things that you're going through. You know, and he's been in business since 2007.
Yes.
And so he's got a lot more experience than I do. And so if I have some problems, I can A/B test the solution. I can try and fix it on my own. But, you know, if you already have somebody you can reach out to that has already solved that problem, then, you know, you just kind of streamline that process for you too. And at least, you know, if it might not work for you, you know, the solution that he has might not work for me, or the solution that I offer him might not work for him. But at least you're starting from, you're testing from.
You have a starting point.
Yeah, an informed starting point, right? So, and we also have the legendary Mike White right here.
Wow.
On 4-3 vinyl and other stuff that, if you just knew, So if you want to call Mike, he's ready for you anytime.
That's Crystal's bag.
Oh, it's Crystal's bag. And you're gonna meet Crystal too. She's an amazing, amazing woman. So we heading out? We ready?
I'm ready if you guys are.
I am. It's a cloudy day. Is Florida like this? Like
Every time I've been to Orlando, it's super humid, muggy, or rainy. Fuel tourists.
All right, we are here.
Morning.
How you doing? This is Crystal right here.
Shop?
Shot. Look at that, Crystal DTF. RGBO, man. RGBO. It's the way to go. So, Crystal, the two of you. All right. So, what do y'all do?
We sell DTF transfers
Where at?
at crystaldtf.com.
All right. So, as I was reviewing this video, I noticed that the camera was like down here, and I'm going to continue to do that throughout the video. It's been a while since I've vlogged, so I'm sorry about that, but I promise you it's going to get better as we go through more videos in the future. Man, that sucks.
And if you're crafty, you're going to want to check out the crafting box. We're going to get crafty every single month.
There you go. There you go. Awesome. And see, I haven't been on YouTube a lot lately. I like YouTube, I love doing YouTube, but things just got really busy. I wasn't even gonna vlog today, but I talked to these two people
Oh, he's coming back.
last night. And how many followers do y'all have?
224,000
On YouTube?
on YouTube.
On YouTube, and it's got me pumped, so here we are.
We're here at Printing United, and we are pumped. We are excited to get around everybody and see all the new things
For sure.
and learn all the stuff.
Definitely. And see, that's what I'm talking about in this video. The topic that I had in place was going to places like this and meeting new people that are in the same space as you. This is a perfect example of that because, you know, I've been trying to get back into my YouTube zone and I can't. And I want to, but I don't want to. But then I met them last night. I'm like, no, I have to. I have to
get back
because,
out there.
yep, inspirational.
Everybody, you guys have to tell him in the comments down below that you are right. Like, you need him. You need him here. Like, that's how we learn all of the things, right?
For sure.
So we are here. We learn together, and that's like, I think both of us, we're both like teachers.
Right.
And so we just have that passion to teach. And so we're just so grateful. So make sure you guys are always liking, commenting, and sharing, because that's what kind of helps us to continue to grow and all of those things. But we got to bring you all the content.
Exactly. You're so good. Like, I swear. She is so good. I'm going to have to move to wherever she's located. And I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm here with Fred. Guess who we found?
What's up, guys? It's Tom from Sticker Bros. We are live from Printing United 2025.
And Tom and I have been friends for a long time. How many years now? Like 4 years maybe?
4 years, probably.
Yeah, when we were both starting
Yeah.
on social media. We both understood that you have to leverage social media for when you're starting a business.
Yeah. Right
and
after the COVID era.
Right after the COVID era,
Yeah.
which was the perfect time to get into it,
It
too.
was.
So we started small, and Tom just has blown up in the sticker industry. And
Been blessed.
we have been blessed. We have been blessed and lucky.
Yes.
You know, so we won some of those lotteries, timing lotteries and all that stuff.
Yes, definitely.
But yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. I think I need to learn from you, like the business side of it.
Right.
You know? So
I can learn stuff from you as well, man. So
I'm just goofy on social. That's what
Yeah.
it is.
I don't have as much time anymore for the videos, but
Same,
I'm trying.
same,
I'm
yeah.
trying, so
Same.
yeah.
We gotta do it. We gotta
Yeah.
do it. Welcome to our work. All right, guys. Guess who I encountered here? This is Ia from
DTF Printer USA.
DTF Printer USA. They're my supplier for my inks and film and and all my consumables. I can get all my stuff from China, but I don't want to have to worry about all that stuff like logistics and lead time and all that. So they're taking really good care of me. Like, I came here yesterday, and then my wife, while I was on my way here, she said, we're running out of the supplies. And what did I do?
Yeah, you just called me.
Yeah, I called him. I said, I need these things. And it was like, yeah, we'll deliver that by noon. That's how much quality service they give us. But like, it's good to see you here, man.
Yeah.
But like, I'm gonna go around and I'll catch you. We're here at Cowan's. They're an epic supplier. Whenever I buy something from China, I buy them. You know, they have really great film, really great adhesive as well, and very affordable. So you might want to check them out too. There you go. Wow. How's it going, man?
Good,
You doing all right? Doing all right. Doing all right.
How are you?
Good, good. How's it going for you? All right. One more comment. I am so sorry. Neko Prince, man, come on. I'm sorry that I didn't see you. You were right there, but I've been wanting to meet you for a long time. Because we're mutuals, but we've never met in person. So, man, you should have just like been like, hey. Or, I mean, I don't know if you know me, honestly, but I really know you. I like your content, man. Hopefully we can connect soon, too. But, man, that was a lost opportunity. But Erastus here, cool guy, too.
Good,
Loving the social, man.
You too. Loving education.
Thank you, thank you. All right, I'll see you. We're going around checking things out, but
What's up, y'all? What's going on? Grass is over here with TKO. What up?
get on that. All right.
You already know. If you need this puff, man, TKOsales.com. All right,
There you
check
go.
us out.
All right, I'll see you. I'll see
All right,
you.
bro, I appreciate it. All right?
Have a good one. We're with Alex right here. How's it going, man?
How's it going? How's it going?
Going good, going good.
Knowledge.
All right, man.
y'all
Talk to you
around
soon. There is so much stuff here that, man, it's just blowing my mind. You should be here. You should be here. So people start businesses for a lot of different reasons, right? Some do it to achieve financial and location freedom. Others do it because they hate having bosses. And still others do it just so they can show people that they can, you know. And you know what? As business owners, we do face a lot of situations that could be make or break. And because of that, we do have to make scary decisions that could possibly change our lives, either for the better or for the worse. So if you don't have an almost delusional level of faith in yourself, chances are you'll fold. Like when we started Merch Studio, I had no idea how to start, let alone grow a business. But I know I could do it. I mean, I had enough faith in myself to be able to quit my $80,000 a year job despite not having a business plan or even a single customer. And I know that $80,000 a year is not that much, especially nowadays when everyone on Instagram is making $1 million a year. But I live in Texas, and for me, that's more than plenty. And especially in the first few months when we weren't making any real money, like no profits at all, and our savings and our retirement is getting smaller and smaller, you know, we had to have that faith in ourselves. Even through all that, I knew that we were going to make it happen one way or another. And thank God it started working and we started becoming more profitable. And fast forward to 2025, here we are. 3 printers with a 4th one that we're setting up with another 2 12 heads RGBO that are coming along with like UV DTF and all that stuff. So a whole bunch of things are happening in the back end. And all that happened because we had faith in ourselves. So needless to say, I am very proud. And my ego is, you know, kind of boosted up because of everything that we were able to accomplish. But it took us a whole bunch of years to do that. Too long. And not only that, I mean, it cost us probably at least $100,000 in mistakes to get to where we are. And yeah, you know, that's a price that you have to pay. And that's what it cost us because we have tried to do it alone and figure things out by ourselves, which is really, that's a really dumb thing to do. I could have just asked someone who's already been there. You know, and if I did it that way instead, I could have avoided all that stress and fear and sleepless nights, and we could have just grown faster. I know you.
I know you.
How are you doing?
How are you? Good. How are you?
All right, introduce yourself.
Flash Custom Transfers.
Awesome people. I got my film roller from them.
Nice. I'm glad you made it safe. For the easy roller holders, if you're interested, you can email me at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com and we will hook you up. We ship all over the nation.
There
so
you
if
go.
You need it, just let us know.
Heck yeah, I love your content.
Thank you.
I love it.
yours. It's it inspires me to be creative.
Okay. The white backing. Hey, Mr. Ninja Guy. How's that? What's up?
Ran into this guy right here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
There you go. There you go. Where can I find you?
Pretty much everywhere on social medias, the YouTubes, the Instagrams, the TikToks, pretty much everywhere.
Yeah,
Mike T.
Mike T's doing great content. Doing great stuff too.
You as well. You as well.
How are you, sir? Good. How are you?
How's it going, man?
Living the dream.
Living the dream.
I said, Smile and Mike with Pixel. We produce the gang sheet builder. It would make it easier for you to sell your transfer.
Yes, you do. Yes, and I know that why?
He knows it because he uses it.
I do.
He's a power user.
I do. How's it going, man? You doing all right? Doing all right?
Doing good, man. Doing good.
Awesome. How's it going, my friend? You doing all right? Who do I see? Who do I see? How's it going, man? Ah, man, it's good.
Mr. Print.
Yeah. All right, it's 5:05, end of day 1. Pretty interesting. As you can see, you know, we met a lot of the friends that we have online, and that's one of the things that I really like about these things. And it's different when you connect in person, you know, and it just kind of solidifies the bond that you have as DTF printers. Chris, how do you go about meeting people that you can network with and could be a potential resource for you to help you out and all that?
I've had a lot of really cool people that have helped me, and I've also ran into people that were just complete jerks. They don't want to help you at all. This industry, in the print industry, a lot of people want to protect the knowledge and the things that they know, because we all know how much it cost us
For sure.
financially and time to get where we're at or to solve these problems.